Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get approved for options trading on Robinhood. First, you'll need to ensure your financial profile meets their requirements. This includes providing accurate details about your income, net worth, and investment experience. Robinhood assesses these factors to determine your suitability for options trading, which involves higher risk. Make sure your investment objectives align with the complexities of options. To meet the financial criteria, accurately report your annual income and total net worth. Robinhood looks for a liquid net worth that can absorb potential losses, as options trading carries significant risk. Be transparent about all your assets and liabilities. This information helps them understand your financial capacity and ensures you are prepared for the potential volatility of options. Next, you need to demonstrate your trading experience. Clearly outline any prior involvement with stocks, exchange-traded funds, or other investments. It's crucial to show you understand various option strategies and the associated risks. Consider reviewing Robinhood's educational resources on options to strengthen your knowledge before submitting your application. This helps them gauge your preparedness. Finally, complete the options trading application with honesty and attention to detail. Robinhood will carefully review your entire profile, including your financial situation, experience, and stated investment objectives, to determine your suitability and risk tolerance. The approval process typically takes a few business days. If initially denied, you can often reapply after gaining more experience or adjusting your financial profile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.